Recording.
Thankfully, I was stopped at the time.
Noisy, no pain. I'm saying, don't look down, don't bend, yeah, be down. So here's light shining face.
Yeah. You can stand up for a second.
Recording.
Big square dollar.
Other side of this.
I'm having it. Me too. This is it's kind of you know, it feels kind of special. I'll just say we do this during our weddings. I don't think you guys have that. More and more these days.
This is like a great idea with pets. It's like horrible sunshade for tournaments.
I know. It's like I've got my little.
This is where you have some high school fan.
I've got my pool boys here keeping me.
If it's the music you have on. Centuries of time for people to do all the stupid things and have punishments for that.
Yeah. I'll show you. I'll come with new stupid things to do.
The punishment is guilt. I figured that one out.
Here's the catch-all punishment. 20 days of fasting.
Yeah, the torch is around 4 days. You split it. Yep.
So this is a government. If you got hit with a real broadsword, on this
Good,
part of
I'll
your
go.
body, what kind of damage?
You may have felt that before I got my shots.
You were in motion.
The arm will be unusable. If you get hit in the head, even with a helm, we're gonna say you are dead,
Good arm.
and it's not hard when you fall down and you're just gonna be dead. If you get hit in the knee, it's gonna be
Yep.
you get
Great.
hit in the body.
Now, if you have to
Thanks.
circle